What's going on, everyone? How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fantastic. And in today's video, we're taking a look at the Master Grade Sandrock Gundam from Endless Waltz. Let's get into it. Oh, right. The mail's here. Come on, Maggie. Let's go get the mail. Yo, he's gone. Let's party. Yo, Mikey, you want some pizza? Radical, dude. Hey, Kakarot. What's up, Vegeta? Today's the day I will finally defeat you.
Everyone, back to your places. He's coming.
Oh, right. I can't wait to open this. DudeRetro Toy Reviews. Alright, and first let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging here. And the packaging looks amazing. I love this artwork of Sandrock. And if you can see in the back, there's even little glimpses of Heavy Arms and Death Scythe. On one of the sides, it just says Gundam Sandrock Custom. And on another side, it just has a image of Sandrock. That's the same image that is on the front of the box. So now that we've taken a look at this packaging here, let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what's on the inside. Alright, and here's what you get inside of the box. So here is Runner A, B1, and here is another B1, but this one is purple, B2, C1, C2, D1, D2, E, F, G1, G2, H, I, J, K, L1, L2, XA, and this one is white. And here's another XA, and this one is gray. XB, and you do get two of these. Here is your runner of polycaps. Here's your set of foil stickers, and I am glad to see that there's not that many stickers to this kit. Here's your set of water slide decals. And last, here is the manual that it comes with. So yeah, this kit is really cool, and this is going to be pretty unique just because of the cloak that he wears and everything. And I haven't built a Sandrock yet, so this is going to be pretty new to me. I've already built 2 Wing Zeros, 2 Heavy Arms, and I haven't built a Sandrock, so I'm excited to try this one out. So that's everything you get in the box. Let's go ahead and put this kit together and let's check it out. Alright, and here is Sandrock fully snapped together. No custom work done, no stickers, decals, nothing. Just snapped together. Let's go ahead and get a closer look at the detail on this thing. So the detail of this is actually really good. I love the colors. Sandrock has never been my favorite out of the Gundam Wing lineup, but this color scheme from the Endless Waltz movie is really good. I love this color scheme. And there is a lot of lines here that you could definitely put some Paint-A-Line ink in and really detail this thing up and have this thing looking good. I love it, but man, this kit was difficult to build. I don't know why, but this kit was a lot harder to build than any of the other Gundams that I've done. Like, there's so many small pieces, like that little yellow piece. There's so many small pieces in the head alone that it made it such a pain to build, but it looks really good. So let's go ahead and get a look at this articulation. Alright, and so for the articulation in this, the head looks up that much. Doesn't look up too much just because of the back of the head right there is just really long, so it doesn't allow it to go all the way back. It looks down that much. And the shoulders right here, there is a nice butterfly joint. Move this flap right here. Arm goes out that far. It won't go up any further because of this flap right there. Of course, the arm does go all the way around. There is a bicep swivel, double elbow joint. There is a span at the wrist, and there is a bend. There is no crunch really, but it does have some swivel action right here at the waist. And the cockpit right here does open up to reveal a Catra that is sitting in that cockpit there, which is really cool. It is a lot easier to open the cockpit with one of these if you don't have any fingernails like me. Now the waist skirts right here, they do articulate. These ones right here articulate. So that way that allows them to move out of the way for the leg to move up and back. And so the leg goes up that far, goes back pretty much as far as the waist skirt will get out of the way there. There is a thigh cut, a double knee joint, foot goes down, foot goes up. And this one, surprisingly, there is no toe articulation. No toe articulation right here. And the foot right here doesn't bend down any further like a lot of the other Gundams do. It doesn't bend down any further than that. But there is ankle pivot, and then there is a swivel. So that is all of the articulation here with Sandrock. So let's go ahead and get into these accessories. So first up, you do get 2 sets of hands, and these ones have that little slot right there on the inside of the palm.
Hey, what's up, dudes? I hope you're enjoying this video, and if you are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, now let's get back to this video. Cowabunga, dude!
And you get 2 other weapon holding hands, and these ones do not have that little slot on the inside of the palm there. You get 2 wide spread hands. You do get a little Katra figure that scales with the Gundam. You get this cool little gun here, and the handle does articulate, so it moves out of the way. You get this awesome shield right here, and the claws do go out, and they do articulate. But this thing also attaches onto the forearm of Sandrock. Now if we bring Sandrock over, you just have that right there, and you just plug that right in. So now Sandrock has his cool shield. Then of course you get his awesome size, not sure, sickles, not sure what you would call these. I think sickle might be the right word, but he gets these, and these are really cool. And of course he can hold on to these, and he holds on to these sickles really nice. You just use that hand that has that little slot on the inside of the palm there, and he gets a nice good grip on it, and it's not going anywhere. Really cool. Then also, if you take this handle here and you flip that down just like so, because this right here articulates, just flip that down on that side. You see that right there, you just take this, you just plug that right into place, and now he can actually hold on to the size on his back. And then lastly, of course, you do get his cloak, and it comes in a bunch of different pieces, but has these shoulder pieces there. It has the piece that covers the front of Sandrock and around the neck and the head. And then this right here is for the back. It just plugs right in where the backpack is, because you would take that off, put this on, and then once this is on, you plug the backpack back on through that slot right there. And then that way he has the backpack and also the size that he can carry on his back as well. So it's really cool, and I'll show you right now what he looks like with the cloak on.
Sorry I couldn't show how to actually put the cloak on Sandrock. It's kind of difficult to do, and so trying to put the coat on while trying to get everything on camera and in focus was pretty difficult. So I at least wanted to show you all what Sandrock looks like wearing the cloak.
And then last, of course, he does come with a attachment right here for the action base, if you want to plug him on an action base to get some cool aerial poses. Alright, and here we are at the size comparison, and as we bring out the measuring tape right here, it looks like Sandrock is standing just a little over 6.5 inches tall. Now, I don't have another Sandrock model kit, like I don't have the regular master grade of Sandrock or a high grade, but I do have the Gundam Universe Sandrock. So if you want to see how a master grade Sandrock compares next to a Gundam universe. There you go. Now here he is next to a regular 6-inch scale figure. And here is the Lightning Collection Ryu Power Ranger. Him out of the way. And here he is next to a SH Figuarts figure. Here is the SH Figuarts Super Saiyan 4 Goku. And last, there he is next to the Heavy Arms Custom Master Grade. And these two look awesome together. Like, if you're like, I love Endless Waltz, and so I have to finish the entire line of the Gundams. And so that right there is the Gundam Heavy Arms and the Gundam Sandrock from Endless Waltz. That looks sick. Alright, and I didn't want to leave this out because I stumbled upon this as I was customizing it. This piece right here, it was normally clear. This, along with that part right there, you see in between this, the white piece and the bottom part of the shield, it's exposed right there. It's clear. It's all one piece. This clear piece, along with that, it's just one big piece that's underneath, that's inside of that shield. And the reference photos online were showing from other people who have built the kit, it's red. And I didn't realize that this part right here was exposed. So I didn't paint it. And I put it back together, and now I'm left with this part that's just clear. It's not painted. Yeah, it's my fault I didn't do that. But there's also no stickers for this. This is a sticker sheet that you get, and there's nothing for this. So it's kind of annoying that for a master grade, not only was this just a plain clear piece, like it wasn't its own like actual color, like it wasn't a colored plastic, there were no stickers that even came with it as well. So unless you painted it, this was just going to be just a clear plastic that would be showing through on the shield. So that's kind of annoying. And I also wanted to go over this right here. This is the shoulder piece for the cloak, and this right here, it's gray. I painted it because if you saw before, it's actually this stripe right here is the same color as the rest of the shoulder piece. And I ended up painting it because I noticed on the manual right here, it even shows they're gray. On both shoulders, they're gray. And so I ended up painting it. But there's also no stickers as well for that. So that was also a little weird. Like, it just seems kind of odd that for a master grade, there's no stickers for these color correcting pieces. And there's no, and it's not a separate piece either. It's all one piece. So, like I said, for a master grade, I would have loved for it to actually, for this gray part to be its own separate piece. Or just come with a sticker. So that's kind of frustrating. Just wanted to point that out for y'all. Now for the pros of this kit, the articulation on this thing is really good. And I also love the detail of this. This thing has a lot of detail, and there are a lot of lines that are just asking to be panel lined to really bring out more of that detail of this model. Now for cons, I do have a lot of cons with this kit. It's not cheap or easy to get, just like any other P-Bandai kit. If you don't get it on the premium Bandai site when they get a restock, you're going to be spending a lot of money buying this off of eBay or from another seller. And another con, even though this kit does not come with a lot of stickers, which is good, it's also missing some important ones, like the ones I pointed out for the shoulder pads and for the clear piece that is on the inside of the shield. Those did not come with any stickers at all, and it was really a bummer that there was not really much of a reference to go off of for what color they were supposed to be. And the backpack does not like to stay inside of the cloak piece, the one that is on the back of Sandrock. It does not like to stay in it. It keeps wanting to fall off. So that is another thing that was pretty frustrating. Once I started really messing around with it, I was having a hard time getting that backpack to stay in it, and I was just getting annoyed. So that's going to do it for my review. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm DudeRetro, and I'll see you next time.